Welcome to a tiny farmhouse reveal where timeless country charm is thoughtfully transformed into classy, modern living. This is not just a makeover, it's a reimagining of how small spaces can deliver big comfort, elegance, and purpose. Through smart architectural planning, refined materials, and intentional design choices, this tiny farmhouse proves that rural warmth and sophisticated living can beautifully coexist in one inspiring home. At the heart of this transformation lies deep respect for traditional farmhouse character. Elements like natural wood textures, simple forms, and honest craftsmanship preserve the soul of country living. Instead of erasing its rustic roots, the design enhances them, allowing the original charm to remain visible while preparing the space for a more elevated lifestyle that feels both familiar and fresh. In tiny farmhouse design, architecture is the ultimate problem solver. Every wall, corner, and ceiling height is carefully calculated to create openness without waste. Strategic layouts, clean lines, and visual flow replace clutter, making the home feel larger than its footprint. This architectural precision allows functionality and elegance to live in harmony within a compact structure. Classy living begins with material selection. Soft neutral tones, warm wood finishes, matte black accents, and subtle textures work together to elevate the farmhouse aesthetic. These materials are not only visually appealing but also durable and timeless. The result is a space that feels curated and luxurious, yet still grounded in rural simplicity and comfort. The living area becomes the emotional center of the tiny farmhouse. Natural light floods through well-placed windows, enhancing warmth and openness. Minimal yet comfortable furnishings keep the space uncluttered while adding personality. Layered lighting and thoughtful decor strike the perfect balance between cozy country charm and modern sophistication, making the room inviting at any time of day. This farmhouse kitchen blends practicality with refined beauty. Open shelving, clean cabinetry, and compact appliances create an efficient workflow without sacrificing style. Natural materials and classic design lines bring a sense of calm and order. It's a kitchen that proves elegance doesn't require excess, only thoughtful design and purposeful choices. The bedroom or loft area feels like a boutique retreat tucked inside a tiny footprint. Soft textures, warm lighting, and clever storage solutions enhance comfort while maintaining visual clarity. The design prioritizes rest and tranquility, showing how even the smallest sleeping space can feel luxurious, private, and deeply relaxing. Storage is seamlessly integrated into the architecture, turning necessity into design opportunity. Built-in cabinets, multifunctional furniture, and hidden compartments keep the home organized and serene. This smart storage strategy reinforces the classy aesthetic while supporting daily living, proving that luxury in a tiny farmhouse often lies in what you don't see. True farmhouse living extends beyond the walls. Large windows, sliding doors, or a small porch connect the interior with the surrounding landscape. This relationship with nature enhances the sense of space and calm, allowing fresh air, sunlight, and views to become part of everyday life, an essential element of refined country living. This tiny farmhouse reveal shows that country charm doesn't have to stay rustic. It can evolve into classy, intentional living. Through smart architecture, refined materials, and respect for tradition, a small home becomes a powerful statement of style and lifestyle. It's proof that with thoughtful design, even the humblest farmhouse can transform into an elegant sanctuary.